In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and insert an icon into your Canva project, making your designs pop with just the right visual elements. Now, Canva is a fantastic tool for creating eye-catching designs, whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or any other creative project. The best part? It's super user-friendly, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll have no trouble following along. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Canva project. Once you're logged into Canva, locate the specific project you're currently working on. If you haven't started a project yet, no worries. You can easily start a new one by clicking on the Create a Design button. This will allow you to choose the dimensions and type of design you want to create, or you can opt for a blank canvas. It's completely up to you. Moving on, once your project is open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options like templates, elements, uploads, text, and more. What we're interested in today is elements. Go ahead and click on the Elements tab. This is where you can find all sorts of shapes, stickers, charts, and illustrations to enhance your design. After clicking on Elements, you'll see a search bar. This is your gateway to thousands of icons that Canva has to offer. In the search bar, type in the specific icon you are looking for. Let's say, for this example, you're searching for a microphone icon. Typing in the keyword will bring up a variety of microphone icons. These can range from simple outlines to more detailed illustrations, so take your time to scroll through and find the one that best suits your design. Once you've found the microphone icon that you like, simply click on it, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now you're free to adjust its position, size, and even color to better match your design's aesthetic. Click and drag the corners to resize, or use the color options at the top of the screen if you want to change the hue. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully inserted an icon into your Canva project. This simple addition can really make a difference, highlighting sections of your presentation or adding a playful touch to your social media graphics. Remember, the key to a great design is subtlety and balance, so try not to overload your canvas with too many elements. With practice, you'll become more proficient in using Canva's features to create visually stunning designs. Thank you for watching and happy designing.